Have you ever felt like your team was speaking a totally different language than the department next door? Maybe you have an experience where you and your colleagues make careless but costly mistakes, all due to small miscommunications. This is silo mentality, and it leads to redundancies, lost revenue, and a massive dip in team morale. The good news is the silo mentality can be broken, and this doesn't mean more meetings, it simply means changing the way you share information. Today I'm going to show you how to use visualization and draw.io to break down those silos and bridge the gap between teams. So these silos thrive on hidden information, and the fix is centralizing your process. So by having all your information in one secure place, everybody on the team is on the same page and no one misses a beat. Draw.io integrates directly with Confluence and Jira. This way, everything you need to execute tasks is either in the project ticket or the Confluence page. Also, if you're enjoying this video, make sure you hit like and subscribe if you haven't already. Another way Draw.io can break down silos is the simple superpower of diagramming itself. People who work in different departments don't always speak the same jargon. Diagramming can help translate complex ideas and processes so that everyone can comprehend. Use Draw.io to visually map out these processes to make them easier to understand. And there's a never-ending list of things you can do this with. When you visually map out the problem, you remove the language barrier that is usually the cause of the silo in the first place. Something else that breaks down silos in Draw.io is the live collaboration feature. Silos can be broken if you can invite other teams to the project in the drafting phase. This feature allows your team to collaborate and come up with a solution together in real time. When a colleague can be this involved in a project this early on, it creates ownership and they feel more connected to the project. And just like that, you've broken down another silo. If you're ready to start breaking down these walls, Draw.io can give you the head start that you need. And if you want a deeper dive into more general Draw.io knowledge, join our free webinar. You can sign up with the link in the description. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit like, leave a comment on all the silos that need to be broken within your team. And until next time, happy diagramming.